DJM TV. Ex-President of Nigeria meets with Sheikh Gumi and others to discuss the way forward on security matters. Hello, my wonderful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and the time at which this video got to you. This is DJM TV Daily News Update, your one-stop channel for everything news in Nigeria and all around the world. We're here to serve you better. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you've not done so, and do not forget to share this video. Now let's go straight to the news. Now, the former president of Nigeria, President Olusegun Obasanjo, has held a meeting with the popular Islamic cleric Sheikh Ahmed Gumi and along some other leaders from the northern region of the country in his home in Abeokuta, Ogun State, over security issues in Nigeria. During the closed-door meeting in Abeokuta, Ogun State, they also agreed that the government should create special courts to deal promptly with cases of kidnapping, ransom demands, banditry, and unlawful carrying of weapons. They also agreed that hardened criminals must be hit with stick, while imploring government to punish anyone illegally carrying weapons in the country. In a communique issued at the end of the meeting, both leaders traced the root of cases of insecurity in Nigeria to both educational and economic disparities, as well as negative use of ethnicity and religious issues by unscrupulous politicians. They said, "We identify the crisis as micro-ethnic conflict between the Fulani and many host communities, mainly in the northwest." Those that were part of the meeting at the Abeokuta residence of the ex-president of Nigeria included Professor Usman Yusuf, Malam Taku Mamu, Dr. Umar Ado, Dr. Ibrahim Abdullahi, Suleiman Gumi, Alhaji Suleiman Yakubu, and Malam Buba Mohammed. They challenged the federal government to be proactive and to secure necessary and updated intelligence to deal with organized crimes, beside having a uniform policy for the country. The two other statements beseeched well-meaning Nigerians to be involved in the lasting solutions by desisting from the blame game, ethnicizing, regionalizing, religionizing all of these crimes, but to respect one another individually, community-wise, locally, ethnically, religiously, and socially. Ex-President Olusegun Obasanjo received Gumi and his team in the presence of the Agura of Gbagura, Abeokuta, Oba Babajide Bakre, chairman of the Ogun State Christian Association of Nigeria, Bishop Tunde Akinsanye, the chief imam of the Egba land, Chief Kenny Martins, Chief Olu Babajide, amongst others, which includes the chief imams of Oke Ona, Owu, and Mr. Vitalis Oteshe. They also said that it was not all right for one state to negotiate and pay ransom to kidnappers, while other states are saying that this ransom should not be paid, rather kidnappers should be shot at sight. They also want the government to rehabilitate, empower, and also to give job to any bandits that agrees to drop the crime and come out clean. Some of the other things they want the federal government to do includes the state government must get adequate means with which to provide security for the citizens of their state. The federal government should carry the matter of security seriously so the ECOWAS so that they can work for a regional solution. Protection and rewards should be given to whistleblowers against criminals where they live in a community. The military, which is the strongest and most potent instrument and symbol of national unity, and the government must ensure that they continue to do so by making sure that these bandits are chased out of the bushes, nook and crannies of the country. That both the federal government and the state government must be ready to provide education for the over 14 million children who are out of school, as this could be one of the key reasons why banditry is increasing. But giving education to these over 14 million children will be an avenue to solve the problem of banditry. When asked about the purpose for the visit, Sheikh Gumi said the visit was part of his continued effort to find solutions for the general problem of insecurity in the country, and particularly for the menace of banditry, kidnapping, and ransom payments. Both Obasanjo and Sheikh Gumi have proposed a slogan for the special court for banditry and kidnappers to be "Security is the responsibility of all Nigerians." They have declared that the menace of banditry, kidnapping, and other crimes and atrocity is leading to a general insecurity in the nation, and it's becoming a phenomenon where the entire world is looking at Nigeria as an insecure nation. They noted that people from different parts of the country and outside the country are also involved in causing insecurity, and urged Nigerians not to encourage or support criminality. They acknowledge that, yes, security situation has gone beyond tolerance, and they also stressed that well-meaning Nigerians should be involved in finding solution and desist from the blame games. In a statement that reads, it says, "Solutions must be seen and provided on short, medium, and long-term basis, and must be composed of stick and carrot for the offender and the vulnerable." Now, the recommended carrot and stick approach is, it is not solving the problem with one state, where one state goes for negotiation and mollycoddling of the criminals, and another one goes for shooting them. None should one state go for ransom payment or another one going against ransom payment. As such, all well-meaning Nigerians have to be involved in finding solution by desisting from anything that will make the security situation go beyond the way it is. It's also recommended that more of the carrot solutions should be implemented in Nigeria, which includes sharing information at all levels, not accepting criminality as a way of life for any individual or group of persons in our nation. The statement further said that since the end of the Civil War, the military are the strongest and most potent instrument and symbol of national unity, and they must continue to be so. At the end of the meeting, the two leaders agreed that they would meet again in due course to re-examine progress and situation of security in Nigeria. Well, so guys, what do you think about the meeting between the ex-president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, and Sheikh Ahmed Gumi? Remember that Sheikh Ahmed Gumi is the Northern Islamic cleric who has been going to the hideouts of these bandits, as they're called, to negotiate with them and to employ them to be peaceful and to stop the act of kidnapping and ransom collecting. Now, many Nigerians have reacted saying ex-president of Nigeria is not supposed to be frolicking with people who are seen with criminals, because it would seem as if he is one of their patrons as well. But others have said the meeting between the two leaders is a welcome idea, as it will help to smoothen the relationships between the north and the southern part of Nigeria. What do you also think about the creation of the special courts for these bandits as recommended by the duo Obasanjo and Gumi? Do you think it's a feasible idea? Courts separate from the ones we have already to deal with just cases of banditry, kidnapping, and ethnic clashes? Is it feasible, or what do you think? What other better solution do you think the federal government should employ so as to alleviate the insecurity problem in Nigeria? Well, do not forget to drop your comment in the comment section, as we will be reading your comments. This is still DJM TV Daily News Update. Do not forget to like and share this video. And of course, if this is the first time you've seen any of our videos, well, we say very big welcome to you. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Do not also forget to like and follow us on all our social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Check out our website at www.djmtv.news. On our website, we drop news there 247. So you go there, check out our news updates as we drop them. And most importantly, do not forget, you can also place your adverts with us Whether you live in Nigeria or outside of Nigeria, we are here for you. We've got you covered. Place your advert with us and be rest assured that your advert will get to the right audience. Well, this is where we come to the end of this edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. I am Lawuro Favor, and I say to you, do not forget that security of Nigeria is the responsibility of everyone. So if you see something, say something.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM